that sort of like can turn them off to the fact of, trading with real money in the live market. When it comes to paper trading, it's all training, it's all, fake money. If you lose it, who cares? It's fake. So how did you overcome, or how did you move past that? Dang, I just lost all my money in my margin account. What advice would you give to people to overcome that sort of loss?
Well, I mean, my advice, first of all, first and foremost, is you really want to learn before you even start trading. Like, you shouldn't even touch a key. You shouldn't even put money into a brokerage before you start learning about this stuff. And there's a lot of information out there. So, find the right people that can actually teach you the right things, learn from their mistakes so that you don't have to make the same ones like I did, and go from there. But you will have losses, but if you learn correctly, you're not going to wipe your account. It's just not going to happen. If it's, you train with trading experts, you're not going to blow up your account. We're not going to let it happen, because that's just not the way that we do things. There's no way with our methods that you could blow up your entire account. So we're very risk averse. It's all about risk management. But let's say, okay, somebody didn't listen to what we had to say and they blew up their account. Just take a step back. Don't try to revenge trade. That's for sure. Because you end up digging a deeper hole, right, and that really sucks. I know a couple people who have done that, and it's just not the way to go. So if you wipe your account, understand that you need to go learn. Like, don't play again.
So Ben mentioned, and just to wrap up here, Ben mentioned he saw how your trading really started to improve after you started mentoring new traders. Did you notice the same?
Yeah, absolutely. It definitely did change my game a little bit, because now it's not only me holding myself accountable. I can't just be telling people what to do and then not following my rules. So I have to be a good example. I have to be there for people, and I want to be there for people. That's the thing, is like, it's a fun experience for me, because I've always been good at teaching things and just explaining things in simple terms. I get a lot of people that come in who don't even know what a market order is. They come in, and just a couple months later, going through our training, it's crazy how you see them develop into these people who have full written out game plans, who are executing trades, making nice 4 or 5% weeks, even more sometimes. And it's a really good feeling to see that people are completely changing their lives, because this is a profession that they'll keep with them forever, whether they're with us or not. It's something that they've learned. It's something that they've become interested in. And that's very fulfilling for me.
And how reassuring is it to you to see that, the knowledge that was passed on to you, you can now pass on to others. And then, like you said, people implementing it and following, your methods that were taught to you.
Yeah, it's amazing. And it's just proof that it works too. It's like, sometimes you get people that are a little skeptical. They're like, how do I know this works? So I'm like, well, there's about 400 people that are in our group who are doing it, and it works, and I don't think they would be investing their time in it if it didn't. So that's an amazing thing. And now I even start seeing people that I've taught who are teaching others, and that's so cool as well. It's building a much stronger relationship for all of us, and